enjoying that one, eh?
This will be on board the Dartmouth Explorer, and she's a big blue white catamaran. Actually, well, the quite nice to take today. We'll drop you off at least half an hour before your train. This is so we can guarantee you that you'll catch the train.
Happy to serve you teas, coffees, beers, spirits, or if you like snacks. If you do take any cups or glasses away from the bar, or slightly trade across the river here. It's right until 1 to 11 o'clock at night, and you like to go from one side of the river to the other, it'll be a 35 miles.
To the right there you have Philip & Son, shipbuilders and engineers, established in 1858. It's also locally known as Voss. It's either built ferries to cross the Mersey, sun tugs, also built the Trinity lighthouse ships here. During the Second World War they built a total of 240 vessels, including minesweepers and air-sea rescue launches. Sadly, 12 years ago the business was closed down. It was then bought by a consortium of businessmen. They'd like to turn it into a 5-star hotel, a conference centre, 70 luxury homes and a 300 berth marina.
you got the mouth of the river. That is the open sea that you can see right in the distance. You got Dartmouth on the left, the river, and then you got Kingswear on the right.
Castle to our right, Dartmouth Castle, building started in 1481 following the French raid. Site, bits of artillery on the way. All the ground road maintained by heritage.
Dartmouth Castle there, built I think it was 1100. That is the mouth. That is the mouth of the Dart. That's the English Channel out there. So the open sea. Way down there is France somewhere.
Right there you see a very nice property on the river's edge. It's got scaffolding on the outside. Maybe quite two awards recently, one for the interior, one for the exterior. Now that
So here we are in Dartmouth, in Devon. What a town it's been. We've been on we came on the steam train from Paignton, and we did a river cruise for about an hour. That was fantastic. Then we just had a fish and chip meal in the Royal Castle Hotel here in Dartmouth. We had a little look around the town, and we've got about an hour to go, and then we'll get the little ferry back across the river, get on the steam train and back to Paignton. So yeah, an amazing day, really nice. Weather's been good. Excellent place, a lot of money in this town, really old, has 1,000 years of history, all the way back from Francis Drake and even back to the Vikings apparently. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that little look around Dartmouth, and we'll be back soon with another fantastic travel video. Another adventure. Bye for now. And it's 5:30 and we've arrived back in Paignton.